My turn signals wasn't working. Popped this fuse out right here, it was bad, so I swapped these two around. Turn the air conditioning on. This one works. This one's in the wrong spot. But that one's working in there. And this one's working. So if your turn signals ain't working, this fuse right here, it didn't look like it was bad. Hell yeah. And I need a wire. Need to wire this one up. That's my license plate light. LED. Hell yeah. Fixing the turn signals. Found out these are for turn signals. Just like this. Boom. Now you take your nut through there, this side, thread it down, bing bang boom.
The courts have ordered them to set aside an estimated $30 billion in trust money for the victims of asbestos. Call now to see if you are entitled to a portion of the $30 billion. You can receive compensation without filing a consultation. Again, that's 1-800-214-1900.
That's crazy. So you've helped Nick a few times?
Yeah.
This wire right here
Whenever I can.
So how did you guys
is
meet?
for the
Well,
license plate light.
Never knew he could treat differently.
Oh, Tesla?